Hey YouTube, it's Alicia Burns. Sorry that I'm just gonna do just the eye look. So what I have on so far is from this palette. It's the Crystal and the Brick Red. So we're gonna finish up right quick. Try to finish up right quick, and that. And we're going to use the. We're gonna use excuse me, birthday right here. And we're going to use this. The other parts of my I have already done. I'm very precise of what I do. And we're going to blend that. I already did the other stuff on my eye, on my face. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this right here. While I am finishing up, and blend that down. And down the bridge of my nose in here. Yep. So right there with my eye, I am completely done. But where we found, I'm going to take this one, and I'm going to take the crystal that I used earlier in the under eye before, and I am going to go here. I'm gonna go here. It's like the toughest part to do. If that don't work and it's not working right, I am going to have to come back in with this. Here we go. Now this might work. Hold on. But yeah, this works better. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my blush I blend out, and I am going to do this. That is it for that particular part. But because I'm also wearing green, I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to put this green into the crease. I don't hardly use green, but I am going to do it this way. To do a little something. I'm kind of building it a little. There we go. And then we're going to do the same side to the other. And there you go. See, it's very fade. And it's kind of shimmery. But yeah. But that is that. So let me finish up before he calls again. That's stuff. So what we're going to do now is pull that. Pull that out. Alright. Pull that out. Set that to the side. Blend completely. And that's that. So what we're going to do now, we're going to pull out the blush. I'm using the CoverGirl Queen Collection. And I am using this brush. One of my favorite brushes. Let's see. So we're through with that. Let me just put a little blush on. And the color I'm going to use is this Milani 05 Coral Cave. So that's that. So let's start with that. And then my highlight. I have a very flaky highlight routine, but what I do is I actually do to here, same to over here. And down the bridgely on my nose here. That, and the color we are going to be using today, find it, it's right behind here. Here we go. It's Smoky Rose. It's Revlon Smoky Rose. Not so much of it I have left. Alright. So that's that. Alright. There we go. So we're going to take, while I'm sitting here, take the hair comb and we're going to unwrap my hair. I bumped it last night. I have shorter hair. Gotta go get my hair dyed. I have a dye job in it, but yeah. And I think we're almost done. And then I'll put my earrings and my rings on and I'll be through. So, yeah. Alright, y'all. This is the routine. I hope you enjoy it. And yeah, and I will do a video while I pre-curl my hair and wrap it. So until then, I'm Alicia Burton. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe.